Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to reset or recover forgotten Messenger password. To start, open and locate your Messenger application. Type in your username. Once done, click on the forgotten password below. This will lead you to here. Just click on next. Now you have the option to send it via SMS or send it via email. It's all up to you. In this example, I'm going to be sending it via email. I'm going to tap on send via email option and then click on next. Now go over to your email and then wait for the code to arrive. It's most probably in your inbox. Alright, I'm just going to get the code here on my end. Alright, the email's already arrived. Now I'm going to view on it. It's 493176. It should be a 6-digit number code. And then add here the code that's been sent in your email. Don't worry, you can look at it again to make sure. Now you have the option to keep logged in. In this example, I will. Now I will type in my new password. Make sure you don't forget this one. And then I'm going to click on next. Once done, I will already be logged in on Messenger. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.